In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your sweat from Sweat Wallet to KuCoin. I did a video last time on how you can withdraw your sweat to Bybit. This time around is KuCoin. I know there are so many people out there who have access just to KuCoin and they want to know how to withdraw their sweat from Sweat Wallet to KuCoin. If say you are new here on this platform, this is the Bet on Crypto. Here I talk about cryptocurrency, how you can build wealth with cryptocurrency, much about how you can protect yourself from crypto scams. I also talk about projects that can 10 to 20x your investment within no time. So if this sort of content interests you, you want to go right now and smash the subscribe button, the thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. Before I continue, if say you don't yet have KuCoin, go to the description of this video. There you find my link to register with KuCoin. If say you haven't yet downloaded the Sweatcoin app or the Sweatcoin wallet, go below this video. There you'll find all the links to these applications. But let's just dive right away so I can show you from the Sweat wallet how you can transfer your existing Sweat to KuCoin. Let's just go right now. This is my Sweat wallet. You're gonna find transfer, you see art, grow. Down there you're gonna see home, NFT, grow, reward. Go to transfer, click on it. It's gonna show you send request. Click on send. You're gonna see this box here that it says you should put your username or address. That's where you're gonna put your contract address from KuCoin. Now let's go to KuCoin so we can get the address and come to insert it here on Sweat Wallet. I'm gonna go to KuCoin right now. This is my KuCoin. Skip this. Once your KuCoin is open, you'll see on the top left hand corner that says deposit. Click on it, deposit. You'll see the different coins that you can deposit. For my history, you can see that I've tried to deposit sweat here. But if say you don't see sweat here on the interface, you can just go to search for sweat. You search for it, you see it appear. Now you have different options, different network that you can get the contract address from. Click on near protocol, copy the contract address that you see here, copy, and go to Sweat Wallet, paste the contract address here. You click on search, you're gonna search. Now boom, you're gonna see it there. Click on continue. It will ask you how much sweat you want to send, like transfer to KuCoin. I want to click max, that is 52 sweat. I have just 52 sweat here. So I click max. I want to transfer everything to KuCoin. The network fee here is 0 sweat as of now. So I'm going to click continue. I'm going to slide to confirm. Sending sweat. Let's wait a little bit. Congratulations, sweat sent successfully. So I have successfully sent the sweat to KuCoin. I'm gonna go right now to KuCoin to check if say I can see the transaction there. I'm gonna close this, go right now to KuCoin. I'm gonna refresh this. I'm gonna go to asset. I have right now $94 worth of USDT. I'm gonna just wait a little bit to see how long it's gonna take to get to my wallet. Okay, now I can see you have received 52.01 sweat. I got notified by KuCoin. So right now I have 52 sweat available on my KuCoin wallet. So if I go to, let me go back to this so I can show you guys properly. So let me go to my asset. Right now you can see here 52 sweats deposit. You can see recent transaction deposit 52.01 sweat. So that's how you transfer sweat from Sweat Wallet to KuCoin. Now let's say I want to convert my sweat into USDT. I'm gonna go to trade. You see here that I have let me see if I want to sell my sweat. Let me see if how much sweat I have right now. It says insufficient sweat right now on my sweat wallet, right? So for you to actually be able to send your sweat here, go to asset and go to transfer. Here I have sweat. You can see sweat, transfer sweat to trading account. It says main to trading account. That's all. Confirm. you always have to transfer your sweat to trading account so that you'll be able to, convert it to either USDT or maybe any other coins that you want to convert, or you want to convert your sweat to. Now, if I go back to trades, you're gonna see that I have 52 sweat. Let's say I want to convert this 52 sweat into USDT. I'm gonna click on max. You can see here 52 sweat. I'm gonna go to market price because I want to sell the sweat or at the market price right now. 52.01 sweat. I'm gonna click on sell. It says amount range to is to from 100 to 1000. So the amount I can sell is from 100 to 100,000 or 1 billion, or I don't know how much is this sweat. For me to be able to do that, I have to buy more sweat. Let's say I want to withdraw this amount right now. I'm gonna buy more sweat to have the opportunity to withdraw this sweat. So right now, I'm gonna go to buy, click on buy, market price 100%. I have $94. I'm gonna click on buy. Now it is asking me for my code, so I'm gonna put my code right now. So let's say I want to sell the sweat right now. You can see I have 5,307 sweat. So let's say I want to sell everything right now, right? Sell at market price. Let me go back to buy. How many US dollar I have right now? 94.896867118 USDT. That's how much I have right now. I've sold everything. I no longer have any sweat left in my sweat wallet, just 0.00006 and 302. And if you say I want to buy back, I'm just gonna go to buy 100% market price. I want to buy sweat anyways. I want to add sweat to my portfolio, more sweat to my portfolio. Buy right now. Place order placed successfully. Let me refresh this. Let me go to sell. So you can see I have 5,296 sweat in my wallet. So that's how you transfer your sweat to KuCoin and convert it into USDT. You have to first of all transfer it from the deposit account on KuCoin to the trading section on KuCoin so that you'll be able to convert it into USDT or into Bitcoin or any other cryptos that you want to convert your sweat to. So this is it, guys. If say this content was helpful to you and you want me to keep creating more of such content, then you want to go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and you share this content with someone else out there. There's always someone within your network who is looking for solutions like this to withdraw their sweat from their sweat wallet. Until then, guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.